Hello, Ayur this side. So today we will see how to take admission in Bits Pilani WILP program. I have recently enrolled in a data science WILP program from Bits Pilani. So I will show you how you will also take the admission. So you just need to here put data science and tech working professionals. Here you will find the link and take in data science analytics. Lovely professional university. MTech in data science and engineering. Okay, so admission has been closed for October 2023 batch. So now you have to wait for Feb 2024 admissions. Probably it's open two times. Admissions open two times in a year. So um, one is in Feb and probably one is in August to September batch. So okay, so I will show you some major highlights on this program. So data science, then this is the program highlights. You will get the UGC approved degree certificate here. It's a full-time MTech course. Then IT professional data science. Yeah, the last semester is your dissertation project work only. So you will get the hands-on or not real-time project also here. Okay, then yeah, this course offers a 0% interest and down payment options. I have opted for this only, so I will show you how you will can also take advantage for this. Okay, then UGC approved, then program curriculum. So in first semester you have this much subjects like mathematical foundation for data science and introduction to data science, computer organization and software systems, data structures and algorithms. Then in second semester you have one subject as a mandatory statistical methods, and then three are the electives. In third semester also same big data system and then three electives. Your fourth semester is completely of your dissertations, and these are these electives. Okay, for data science. Then learning methodology, then continuous assessment and case studies and assignments, and then all these are. Then mode of examination, there's right now two types of exam mode of examination, offline and online. But the online option only Institute Bits Bilani will provide you as per their convenience. So maybe you need to go to their designated Bits Bilani centers for exam. So here in the city they have designated centers: Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi NCR, and Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Kolkata, Goa, and Pilani, and international wise Dubai. Okay. Then eligibility criteria: B. You must have a B and B Tech certificate, degree certificate with a 60% aggregate. Then MC and MSc students are also eligible. Then the fee structure. So the first fee structure, you need to fill the application form and you need to pay 1500 rupees to apply for this bits program. After that, one time admission fees is 16,500. Then a per semester fees 68,500. Then you opt for the semester exam. You can also opt for this 0% interest rate and 0% down payment option also. So bits collab with external company with named as a Propel to provide this 0% interest rate and down payment 0% down payment options. So how you will apply? So you need to first create your application. I will show you step by step how you will apply. So in this there is a 7 and 8 point are most important, I guess. So here here on page number 3 you will see a employer consent form. So you need to fill this form and you have to take the permission from your organization HR that I am doing this course and you are aware about like this. And for that, if it's not possible, you can also take an email approval also for this. And you also need to provide a mentor, mm, maybe from the same organization you are working or from the another organization. Mm, as per your convenience, you have to choose a mentor also. So mentor condition, the minimum mentors have a 5 years of experience in a relevant industries, and these are the some required things for a mentor. Okay, then after that you have to upload all zip files and this. Okay, so I will show you how to fill this application form. So for data science, the admission is closed, but for software engineering, the last date is December 11th. We we will fill the same form here. So you need to go to apply. Okay, so it redirect me to on this page, but first you need to create an account. I have already created an account, so it redirect to me here. Okay, so first you need to create an account, and then a confirmation link will go to your Gmail, and then you need to confirm. Okay, after that this application form will open. So here you will see your full name, date of birth, father's name, applying for program. It's already been pasted here. Then your Gmail. Yes, from here you need to fill all your employment details, choose employment status, and it's a full-time employment. Okay, then your work location and date of joining organization. Then yes, here you need to confirm that you have a mentor also, and then you need a employment consent form also from your organization. Then prior employments, and then education details, level of studies, and you are pursuing any studies in university or college, yes or no. After that you need to submit this application form. After submitting this application form, you will get something like this. I will show you in this form. First you I will show you the flow. So first you need to fill this application form, then you need to download application PDF copy. So here I will show you for my data science program. So here you need to paste your photographs, then all details it's already being present here. Then you need to fill this all, like current status, this all completed, name of employee, designation, start date, end date, total work experience, declaration. I have carefully read this all, and your signature and all, place, date. Then this is the employee consent form. For that you need to fill this form, and you have to take the seal of organization and signature of your HR for this. If you don't have this, you can also mm, take an email approval from your organization and HR. Okay, and this is a mentor consent form. So name of mentor, mentor qualification, university, years of experience, a minimum 5 years of experience in a relevant work required. Then city, address, import information for mentors, roles and responsibilities of mentors. So you can choose a mentor from your organization or another organization also. Then you need to fill all these, and then with the required documents list. Here is the requirement document list. So here application form, this application form, first and second page, you have to scan and zip. Then photograph, then employer consent form, then mentor consent form, degree certificate, upload scan copy, BTech and B and all equivalent degree certificates, proof of date of birth, upload your 10th mark sheet, uploaded academics all year semester wise. You need to upload in a single zip. You can choose it as a single, and proof of your work experience. So you can also need to provide this your experience letter. This will get from your, this will you get from your organization. Okay, then company brochures, some key points on your company, what they are doing, and your career objective. It's a handwritten, you can also write a handwritten, and upload a scan copy. For this mentor resume and degree certificate you need to require, and this is for the some who are in educational institution. So okay, so what do you have to do? You need to fill this, and by attaching all the required documents you have to upload it on bits uh, portal. So after that, download, then you need to pay the application fee of 1500 one time. After that you can able to upload this, and after that they will analyze your application and will get back in 1 to 2 weeks in your application status. If your application is passed, then your bits bits student id will created, and you will also get a welcome mail from a bits Pilani. But it will take some time, like 1 to 2 weeks, so don't be panic, but your status will be shown here, starting showing here, like your student ids. So yeah, these are the simple 4 steps to take an admission in a Bits Pilani. After that, you will receive a option for semester semester fee payment. So Bits provide three types of payments options. So first is a card and credit and debit card, and the second one is a UPI and all. Then the third one is the EMI option. So I have chosen as a EMI option. So if you want to choose an EMI option, you need to click on that, and it will redirect you to the third agency as a Propelled. So the inside a Propelled, I will show you my Propelled account. This is the one, Propelled.com. So I haven't taken an education loan from this. It's already in a collaboration with the Bits Pilani. So for that, from here you will take a loan in a simple steps. You just need to follow the instruction given by this profile, and they will pay a fees for you in within 1 to 2 days of your admission. Then you need to pay the fees to Propelled in a simple EMI options. So this is a quite simple process, and it's a auto debited process from your account. So you just need to maintain your sufficient balance. So, but for that you need to provide some your bank details also, like card numbers and card details to Propelled also, to do the automatic debit. Okay. So after that your admission will confirm, and yeah, these are the some list of program that Bits Pilani offered in a WILP program. Okay, these all are the list. So you will see this also. Okay, so after that you will receive a admission confirmation mail, and after that you will receive a Bits ID and password and Bits uh, Teams account and all. So yeah, this all about the Bits Pilani admission and process. uh, in future I'm planning to upload my 2 years of journey in Bits data science program. So stay tuned for the next video, and thank you so much for watching this video, and